Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the cable on your Dyson HD03 vacuum cleaner. This task requires a few specific tools and a bit of patience. Let's get started. First, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. Make sure you have a clean workspace to lay out your tools and the vacuum components. Begin by unplugging your vacuum cleaner from the power outlet. Safety is paramount, so ensure that there is no power running through the device. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back of the vacuum. These screws hold the cover in place, and it's essential to keep them in a safe spot as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the vacuum. You will see the cable connection inside. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. It's a good idea to clean this area before proceeding with the cable replacement. Now, locate the cable connected to the motor. You will need to carefully disconnect this cable. Use your flathead screwdriver to pry off any connectors if they are stuck. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. After the old cable is disconnected, take your new cable and prepare to install it. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with this process, ensuring your vacuum is in perfect working order. Connect the new cable to the motor, ensuring that all connections are secure. Double-check that the connections are tight to prevent any issues during operation. Now, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully place the cover back onto the vacuum, aligning it with the screw holes. Use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the screws back in place. Make sure not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Once the cover is securely fastened, give the vacuum a quick cleanup. Remove any stray dust or debris that may have accumulated during the process. Finally, plug your Dyson HD03 back into the power outlet and test it. If everything is working correctly, you have successfully changed the cable. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. If you prefer not to deal with the hassle of repairs yourself, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to avoid all the inconvenience of calls and travel. Simply reach out to us, and we'll handle the rest. Thank you for following along with this guide on changing the cable for your Dyson HD03 vacuum cleaner. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.